You guys, we got the new Land Rover Range Rover just unveiled, I think, like a couple weeks ago. It's here in person, as you can see. I won't be able to do like the full review. I won't be able to jump into the trunk for you guys, but I'll try to give as best of a possible review. Yeah, I'm here, POV and everything. Looking at the front though, got the nice LED headlights, big wheels and everything. Still has like that side trim piece that most cars have. And I believe this is the Autobiography edition. And as you can see, this color is interesting. Probably would go for like more of the standard like white they usually see on the street over there. But this color doesn't fit it, or it does fit it actually pretty nicely. Yeah, jumping into this real quick. Handles here, these are soft closed doors too. Really big doors. And then all the seat adjustment and all that. Getting there, there's two screens. Let me sit in here. It is? Really spacious. Nice screen and everything. You have some displays there. Glass up. Yeah, that's fine. Get some screens here inside. Yeah. Transmission wheels, like actually really small, really nice. Nice seats, they're actually really comfortable. I think these like back seats are comfortable, but the front seats are even like more comfortable once I get back there. And then you got the little Autobiography logo there too. Back seats over here too. All the seat adjustment, kind of have it here as well here too. Kind of cool, just drops down. And legroom doesn't look too bad, nothing crazy, but legroom would actually work for most people. Closing that back up. And also has soft close, so if I don't do it too hard. Oh, did it kind of hard. And I'll close it for you, soft close. Really cool. Little trim piece, big wheels on the side. Looks like it has P0 stock right now. And then back here, this one's kind of taken, so let me just switch on to this one over here. Different model over here. I think this is a first edition model. Open up the trunk here, kind of just like the bottom notch. Have some features. Going good, going good. So what are these, could you mind explaining the controls here on the side?
Sure, so there's a bench back here.
Yeah.
This is actually to like raise and lower the back, so if you needed to load things that are, you know, at a lower level, you can.
Yeah.
This is, okay, so that's this row here. This is for your seating. And this one, jogging my brain.
Yeah.
Let's just push it to see.
Okay. Do you have to hold it, or do you just click on them?
This one is. I think it's the forward and back of that row, but because they're in it, it might not be letting me do it.
Oh, so it actually checks.
You got your second row seat controls back here, as well as your raise and lower.
Okay, yeah.
And then this is our entertainment seating package here. So you get the speakers up front with the lighting, and then this is a bench that you can actually sit on.
Yeah.
When this is closed, this is just for like storage of items. Then
Right.
During the stadium seating, you can use this as
Oh, nice, nice, yeah.
So that's a little different. Otherwise, everything else is electric.
Okay, cool.
Go there.
That was a good explanation. But if you want to close everything, hopefully she doesn't walk into that. Really nice back. Really like, just clean looking. I guess like a lot of electric vehicles. Going back to this one. Let me see if I can sit in the front seats. If not, let me just walk around the car a little bit. Yeah, big wheels again, as I mentioned. This is the new Range Rover. So this is Autobiography LWB. So long wheelbase, 154. But this one sits at 161. So it doesn't even have many upgrades, but it's probably still like fully spec'd out anyways. You got the sensors in the front. Looks like you have a camera up there too. So a lot of safety, I would assume. Looks like someone sat in that seat at this point. And so we get into the driver's seat at some point, because these I know these vehicles, people love sitting in them just for comfort, or maybe they're also, some people here at the shop as well too. Get over here. Kind of interesting how this like inserts a bit. Goes like a bit. Oh, looks like she's moving, so get inside at this point. Nice seating and everything. Nice everything. You have a nice display over here. The vents over here look like they're like polished here a little bit, so they look kind of nice. You have screens over here and everything. High to low. So low. You can lower this right now. Looks like it's in Celsius. And then closing this, you can open and close this. Looks like it has maybe wireless charger over here, and then like a USB-C port. You have some more controls over here. You got a Prindle. You can move this as well too. But yeah, pretty cool. And then I guess you have like two kind of like areas to put your stuff, so you put them both in a piece. Pretty cool display. I like it. Actually really nice. Seat adjustment again, it's not on the side over here, but it's more on this side, so you can adjust the seating and everything just how you want it. And it's really comfortable. I will definitely say that. Soft close and everything. And then look in the back over here. So this one has the third row seats. Looks like she'll close this. See if I can open this up again. I just want to see it one more time. So kind of has like a little blocker. I think this is like amazing for groceries again, so they don't slide out. All your controls over here. Again, there's like third row seating, so 3 rows of seats. Opening this up real quick, automatic and everything. And as the other lady mentioned, you could adjust all this. I guess you could make it go this way or put it this way for like tailgating. Have like a backrest and all that. No, it doesn't seem like it holds too well, but it probably does. You got a lot of your controls over here. Probably adjust all this. Let's see if I can mess with it. Oh, looks like I'm bringing them down. Looks like you only do one at a time. And let me do the back ones too. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it knows like to adjust it a little bit so you can move it out of the way. That's really cool. It'd be kind of weird if you are sitting in it though. But I bet it probably locks it as the lady mentioned. But closing this back up here. You got some lighting up here, and as well as like a sound system as the other lady mentioned. Pretty cool. But yeah, huge doors, big wheels and everything. Couple additions here. There's like one color here, another color over here, and again there's an Autobiography edition. This is the first edition, and there's